Come adventure with us on a Dean Family Farm and Art Studios tour for a heartfelt, handmade, and one-of-a-kind experience. Join Alaskan artists Ranja and Jeff Dean for this unique guided tour. Immerse yourself in our creative Alaskan lifestyle as you meander through a menagerie of art and animals, gardens and architecture. Visit working art studios and see art in the making. The 2-hour educational tour ends with a visit to the Dean Gallery. It's a glimpse into the lives of an Alaskan family as we share a lifetime of inspiration, dedication, and diverse creative output. Our hope is to bring a little magic to your day and inspire and encourage you in your own creativity.